This debate will come to order. The resolution before us today is, should children have cell phones? Representing the proposition are its first speaker, Ian, the second speaker, Esther, and its third speaker, Edward. Representing the opposition are its first speaker, Stella, the second speaker, Amy, and its third speaker, James.
Technology will fascinate students more effectively than textbooks because it makes children think that studying is fun and interactive. Furthermore, it's not only the academic part that children can benefit on, but they will also be able to learn how to use the technology.
They will just mess up their tests, and their grades will get lower, and they will not develop. We, the opposition, believe that mobile phones make children who use them fall behind compared to the other students who are not using them, and cell phones will affect them poorly in the future.
Then future generations will be weak and addicted to cell phones. For children to get a cell phone at a young age just because they need to stay safe and get independence is not a justification for a future generation of children to be addicted to cell phones and with major health problems.
So, there's no danger of addiction if the kids like to spend more time talking to each other in person rather than using the phones. As a result, we the proposition believes that it is worth it for children to have cell phones if this will foster independence and safety at the same time.
He would have to rely on the mercy of others. Also, when a child falls, the phone is most likely to be broken, dead, or unable to be used. Therefore, a phone wouldn't change the fact that he or she is injured at the end might not be able to be used anyways.
This is a very good incentive to keep the children in line and keep them from not getting addicted, but yet safe and independent, teaching them responsibility.
I thank the member for concluding the debate. Would the judges please complete your ballot? After doing so, you're invited to make constructive comments, but I'd like to remind you that you're not to indicate which team has won the debate. Thank you.